So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your phone link app is stuck on a black screen or a white screen. Now, in order to fix that, all you need to do is to just simply go to the settings of your laptop. Here in the settings, go to app section right there. Here, click on this option of installed apps. Now, once you're in the installed apps section, simply scroll down till the last where you'll see this option of system component. Simply click over there, and here you'll see this option of phone link. Just simply click on the three lines on the phone link app application, and here you'll click on this option of advanced option, and when you scroll down you'll see this option of repair. Simply click on repair. Now it will take some time, it will repair the application. And now once again, if you try to open the application, you'll notice that the application is working perfectly. For example, if I try to show you again, now here, if I start the phone link app, it's working perfectly for me. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.